Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all well today. That's TLP Sea Glass, lovely minty green, shimmery minty green. TLP Brulee, which is an interference copper. You can really see it on the black. And this is my mix of TLP Sequins, which is an interference violet, and Atelier Dioxazine Purple. So mixed together you get this gorgeous, luscious, deep, shimmery purple, and you can really see the very bright violet shift in it as well. See that? And this is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold to Cunag. That's why we shorten it. Such a long name. This is Folkart Colorshift Purple Flash. Now my cell activators: titanium white, 50-50 mix of Amsterdam and Atelier, and well, this is the third time I've used this, but I've got to say it again in case you haven't seen my other videos. I just added a blob of that Amsterdam Pearl Violet, which is an interference violet, just to see if anything would show, but obviously as titanium white is so opaque, cancel the colour out, so yeah, it didn't work, but I experimented. This is the third video that I've used this same colour combo. Yeah, I just love it so much, so I tend to get like that when I find a colour combo I like, I keep using it. My canvas is a 14" by 18", and yeah, let's get messy and I'll see you later.
Like-minded if we could, but that's not the case. to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time, 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 time. What makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time, time. You'll make it in time. Time, time. What makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I said I loved you, but you let go. I waited for hours, but you never showed. You were all my heart knew, but that's all I held on to, but you let go. We met over coffee on 17th Street. As easy as that when two souls meet. We said I'd do for worse or better, promised to hold on forever, but you let go. Time flew by like a thunderstorm. People change, and that's nobody's fault. It's a numbing silence when no one talks, and all you hear is two hearts breaking, pain from the mistakes we're making when you let go. place down on 17th Street. You walk with her and not with me. You were all my art knew. That is what I held on to, but you let go. You were all my art knew. That is what I held on to, but you let go. Hey, I wish you could see yourself. You're sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you. You don't even notice. Should've told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance. And the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more. 'Cause baby, you deserve some more. But still you're here and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say. But I'm afraid and I know you haven't noticed.
Hi guys, right, I'm going to do a little bit of embellishing on this one, and these are the pens I'm using. Comes in a pack of 3, the large nib, medium and fine. It's not ultra fine, might be the other way around actually, not ultra fine, but it's I think it's 1mm. I can't see, it's just not writing. Now these are the stickers that I used before on my water fay. You can hear me? On my water fay piece, the round piece, the little flower fairy diary. Now when I've used these before, I didn't realise that they were self-adhesive. It did say self-adhesive on Amazon, but I couldn't see any way to peel the backing off before, but somebody told me in the comments that you can peel the back off. That's just placed there at the moment, that butterfly. I think I'll just, no, I'll have a fiddle maybe later. But pretty little stickers. I was going to put some fairies on, but I thought, nah. Sometimes you can go over the top, and I do go over the top very easily, so I'm just going to do some gold embellishing. So I'll speed it up so I don't bore you too much. It's pretty colours. Dried nicely. So yeah, I'll speed you up now.
Hey, I wish I could show you more. 'Cause baby, you deserve some more. But still you're here and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say. But I'm afraid and
I've just got to either peel the back of the butterfly or glue it on. Here's a little butterfly. Still debating whether to put a little bit of gold on him, little dots maybe, or I might just leave him as he is. I love those lines there. All the different shades of sparkly TLPs. And that beautiful yellowy orangey gold, that's the Quinag, as we call it, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden. There it is again. Such a beautiful colour over white. It is beautiful with purple, and it's gorgeous with turquoise as well. That's it again there with the purple. That's the sea glass, pretty colour. And then again the Quinag there. But what's lovely about it, you don't just get the one shade from it. It blends with the others and you get all these different tones. So I think this is very delicate and pretty. Happy with this one. Yeah, I don't think it needed all the fairies. I think it's just enough with a butterfly. So obviously this isn't varnished yet. I'll leave them 4 weeks before I varnish. I don't resin. I don't have a safe area to resin. Always got my dog near me and I haven't got a room that I can close off. So I just use varnish. So if you like it, please hit that like button. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it. It's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And any questions, ask in the comment section below. And everybody take care, stay safe. And just before I go, just a reminder that everything will be in my description box below. Take care guys, thanks for being here, bye.